Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I've been working on getting things cleaned up and painted for this carriage. I've got those bearings all cleaned up and painted now, and I got started painting the wheels. They were originally yellow. The original color on them was yellow, so I'm going back with it. So these shafts, I'm going to have to clean up after I get everything together and paint them, because I got to slide those bearings back and forth on them to get everything lined up and hooked up. So once it's all together, I'll clean those shafts up and get some more paint on them. So from here, this afternoon, I am headed in to town to the welding shop to pick up that shaft that we ordered, so I can get that third axle together. And so when we get that, I'll do some video of that, pushing that wheel back onto it. Well, update to the next day. My shaft didn't come in. I ran in there to the welding shop that had it ordered, and he said they didn't have a big enough order together for them to make a delivery where he gets his stuff from. So I've got this put together as much as I can get it put together at this point. Everything minus that last axle. And so it'd be another day before I get that axle in here. Just wanted to show you what had been done so far and update it. It's looking pretty good. Looky what that paint revealed. I've got a crack in that wheel. Darn it. I never seen it there till I got to painting it. So at this point, I'm going to pull it apart, and it's a piece of cast, so it's hard to weld, but I'm going to pull it apart and heat it up really well and see if I can get some weld on it. If not, that is the type of piece that would be relatively easy for my son to make on his lathe. So we might have to just get a big chunk of steel and make a new one, but I'm going to try to weld it. I think I can probably pull it off. Okay, as you can see, I got this flipped over and everything is back and lined up. I still got to get this axle put in, and I've got that one wheel to pull off and weld. But I just got this all ready to set up for my next big project, is to sit this thing back on it, and we'll be looking pretty good when I get to that point. Thanks for watching.